We are raised to believe the sun is the anchor of all life, a celestial hearth that provides the gravity to hold us in place and the light to keep the cold at bay. Our maps of the galaxy are built around these bright points, treating the ink-black spaces between them as empty voids. But in 2026, that map is being torn to shreds. Thanks to new data from the Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope, we have realized the universe is not just a collection of star systems. It is a graveyard of ghosts. There are trillions of them. For every single star you see in the night sky, astronomers now estimate there are at least 20 orphan worlds drifting in the darkness between. These are rogue planets, celestial bodies violently kicked out of their home systems by gravitational chaos, or born in the lonely cold of gas clouds that never ignited. They aren't orbiting anything. They reflect no light. They are simply hurtling through the abyss, invisible and alone. These worlds were born from the same dust as our own, but their fate was far more brutal. Think about the scale. Most of the land in our galaxy doesn't have a sunrise. We have spent centuries looking for life on worlds warmed by suns, but it turns out the vast majority of planets in the Milky Way have spent billions of years in a sky that is 100% dark. This is a massive shift in our understanding of reality. We are surrounded by billions of pitch-black worlds, and we are only just now learning how to see them. We detect these ghosts through gravitational microlensing. When a rogue planet passes in front of a distant star, its gravity acts like a magnifying glass, briefly warping and brightening that star's light. It is a cosmic glint in the dark, a momentary flash that tells us a massive, invisible object just crossed our path. The environments on these worlds are the stuff of nightmares. Imagine a gas giant 3 times the size of Jupiter drifting through the void. With no sun to strip its atmosphere, it retains a thick blanket of gas that traps internal heat. From the outside, it is a sphere of shadow. But beneath those clouds, the core remains molten. There are lightning storms thousands of miles long, tearing through a sky that has never seen a morning. Imagine the silence of a world where no wind carries the warmth of a star. On smaller, rocky rogue planets, the horror is deeper. Surfaces are frozen to hundreds of degrees below zero, and yet, deep beneath those crusts, internal heating could keep liquid water oceans alive for eons. There could be alien ecosystems thriving in total darkness, huddled around geothermal vents, unaware that stars even exist. To them, the universe is a cold, dark shell, and they are the only light in existence. The unsettling part is how close they are. These orphans aren't just in distant nebulae, they are in our backyard. There are likely rogue planets drifting just light years from our solar system, hiding where we've been blind for decades. We are not drifting through an empty vacuum. We are navigating a crowded pitch-black forest filled with trillions of massive invisible objects. We aren't just living in a galaxy of stars. We are living in a galaxy of ghosts. And the more we look into the dark, the more we realize the light was only ever half the story.